Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my first project we're going to be working on together. Today we are going to start or lay out the foundations for live streaming helper bot. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to go over is basically the hierarchy of this entire project. So what we want to do is we want to be able to stream while collecting all the data and doing a couple different add-ons. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be focused around a SQL database. All right, and this SQL database is going to handle all the user data, all the text data that we capture and stuff like that. All right, and then we're going to use this SQL database to interact with Discord. Okay, so we're going to create our own Discord bot in order to interact with it and do some really cool stuff using asynchronous commands. So after that, we're probably going to dive into a Django website. And this Django website is going to be used to render the data that we're collecting in the SQL database. And we're also going to use it to create new accounts and applications on the fly for other users to use. And then we're going to do a bunch of add-ons with the SQL database to include posting to Twitter, integrating live streaming YouTube chats and Twitch chats, live streaming Twitch chats. So for the Django website, we're going to create a site for people to sign up. We're also going to integrate Stripe, which we're going to use to process payments. We can also do PayPal. If you guys want to see PayPal, just let me know in the comments. Okay, and then we're going to be able to set up and customize the bot using the Django web framework. So basically, a user is going to be able to sign in, create an account, start paying them, a monthly fee, and then they're going to enter their OAuth codes, and we're going to show them a little tutorial on how to find them and how to create them. And then we're going to do a let them be able to customize the messages in which they send out on the various platforms that we're going to use, like Twitch or Discord. Like if they join the Discord server, be like, hey guys, how's it going? And then we're also going to be able to do like user permissions. We'll get into that in a little bit. Okay, with Discord, what we're going to be able to do is some basic minimalistic functions is at first to display help. We're going to welcome the new users. We're going to assign roles to the new users as they join, and we're going to be able to create an invite link. Okay, so some of the add-ons I wanted to go over was Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. Basically what I want to do is link all the Twitch chat to a Discord text channel, and vice versa. So if somebody's in Twitch typing, I will see the message in Discord, and if somebody's in Discord, I will see the message in Twitch. All right, I also want to be able to greet people whenever they say, hey, what's up, how you guys doing, blah blah blah. I want to be able to respond to them with a message. So we're going to cover that. And then after that, we're going to be able to, or we're going to go and send a message every couple of minutes. So I know a lot of people are doing charities right now for COVID-19. And basically, I just want that message to repeat over and over again every 15, 20 minutes or so. Okay. And then we're going to link that with YouTube. So let's say you want to stream on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time, multi-streaming with Streamlabs OBS. What you can do is you can grab all the data coming to and from the YouTube channel in the text chat and integrate all of it seamlessly between both Twitch and YouTube and Discord all at the same time. So if somebody's on our Discord channel that wants to interact with my live stream or something like that, they can interact on one of those three platforms however they want. Okay, and also vice versa. If they want to type in the Discord, they can go to YouTube. If they want to go to YouTube, they can go, they can type there and it'll show up in Discord and in Twitch. If they want to go to Twitch, it'll show up both in YouTube and in Discord. Okay, so enough about that. After that, basically what I want to do is whenever I do go live, I want to stream or post something on Twitter saying that I'm going live. And once I'm finished, I want to post something on Twitter saying thanks. So after that, I'm kind of skeptical on this little part, as far as how to do it, but as far as whether or not I want to cover it in this series. However, it would be really interesting whether or not we could find some sort of correlation in our data, do some machine learning, and trade our own chatbot. So that's a future series to come out more than likely, but it's just a thought where this might lead. So first thing I want to do is I want to open up Miniconda. So again, A&A, hit enter. And basically what I want to do is I want to change directory to my documents. And then I want to create a new directory. So make directory. And let's call this live stream bot, okay? Or actually, no, I want to use the other project name I was using called Big Brain, all right? So we're making big brain moves right now, so I want to call it Big Brain Bot, right? And I don't want to use capitals because that gets convoluted after a while, so let's just call it Big Brain. Okay, so make directory Big Brain, change directory to Big Brain. All right, and then what I want to do is do conda create. Let's say conda create. Let's give it a name as Big Brain Bot. And then let's also say the correct Python version that we want to use. So Python equals 3.8.2. Let's use the latest, might as well. Okay, so that's going to install all of that stuff. Sounds good. Oh, what did I enter? What? Why? Not T. What am I thinking? Okay, so that's going to finish. And after this, I'm going to activate the environment. So conda activate. Oh man, it's really hard to type and talk at the same time. Okay, there we go. Wow, I guess I need to type in actually the name of the project, or the... Yeah, I really cannot do this today. Okay, activate Big Brain. Bear with me, guys. Alright, so let's try this one more time. Conda activate Big Brain Bot. There we go. Okay. Talk about embarrassing. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to install a bunch of stuff that we're going to use for packages to complete these tasks. So, for instance, we mentioned Django, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, etc., etc. So, first I'm just going to start with, let's say Django. So I'm just going to say pip install Django. And, you know, while you're doing this, man, I really cannot use this. Okay. install. Okay, so when you're running these type of pips commands, you can also do space separated multi-package commands. So if I want to install a bunch of them all at once, all I have to do is do twitch.io. For example, pip install twitch.io space Django space discord.py, stuff like that. So as soon as this is probably the biggest one of all the packages we're going to use. So as soon as this is done, we will move on. So as you can see, it's going to install SQL parse. That's going to include our SQLite database. I would like to use SQL, but for this instance, I'm not going to. Basically, it works sort of the same. We're going to use SQL Alchemy as our engine to go from what we want to do in code to actually storing it in the database. So again, I'm just going to hit the up arrow, and then I'm just going to add a bunch of different stuff here. So twitch.io, twitch.io, then discord.py. I also want to install a SQL Alchemy. Okay, that should be good for now. I'm going to go collect those packages, install them. The latest versions, all compatible with Python 3.8.2. And that should be it. Let's do a pip freeze just to show you guys what we're working with. And as you can see, it installed Discord, Django, SQL Alchemy, Twitch.io. Oh, I forgot one. Let's see. Pip install Tweepy. T-W-E-P-Y. Tweepy. All right. So again, I'm going to list the... Oh, it also installed requests. Awesome. I don't have to do that. Let's see, pip freeze again. Okay, so like I said before, Discord's going to allow us to interact with a Discord API and send asynchronous commands to a Discord server. Django is going to act as our web framework that we're going to use to launch our website. SQL Alchemy is going to act as our database engine that we're going to use to go from what we're receiving from the other APIs and store them in the database. Tweepy is what we're going to use to post on Twitter, and Twitch is what we're going to use to post on Twitch, etc., etc. All right, well, that's about it for this part of the tutorial. Thanks you guys for watching. Next part, we'll actually deep dive into setting up a Discord bot. That's where we're going to start. So until next time, see you guys later.